A time shall come, and the time is now, where God shall speak to your situation. Kingdom Congress Network International presents Prophetic Revival, 14 days of fasting and prayers. Theme is Rise, take up thy bed and walk. So brace yourself to fast, pray, and call on God from 19 June to 1st July 2023. Your host is Prophet Maxwell Oponeje.
You have been praying for longer, fasting for longer, you have been riding and falling for longer. Arise, take up thy bed and walk.
Come, let's climax at 5:30 p.m. each night at the Top Martins Complex near Asokwa Interchange. There will be all-night service on Friday, 30th June 2023. For more info, contact 0540-651-775. So tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. See you there.